Area is the measure of the space inside a two-dimensional shape. It tells us how much surface the shape covers. Key concepts that we'll need for area of rectangles are, first, square units. This is the standard unit of measurement for area. For example, square meters, square feet, and so on. For a rectangle or a square, the area is found by multiplying its length by its width. In other words, area is equal to length times width. Let's look at each of these shapes and find their area. Keep in mind we want to include the units. In our first example, we have a rectangle. We have length and width. The area is length times width. Or, in this case, 33 times 10. Notice that we have a power of 10, so we can simply write down the first number or first factor and attach the number of zeros that we see in the power of 10. In this case, 0, just one of them. So we have 330, and then the units is centimeters squared. There'll be an exponent on the centimeters since it's squared. The reason we square centimeters is it's two-dimensional. We have a length and a width. In the next example, we have another rectangle, 8 times 5. 8 times 5 is 40. And then again, the units, in this case, centimeters squared, or square centimeters. In example C, we have a square. Notice it's the same length on each side. That's what makes it a square. The area is still length times width. So we have 5 times 5, which is 25. And again, in this case, the units are still centimeters squared or square centimeters. And finally, in looking at the area of a basketball court, we have the length of 28 meters and the width of 6 meters. So we have 28 times 6. 6 times 8 is 48. We'll write an 8 and carry the 4. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 4 is 16. So the final result, 168, and the units this time is in meters, so we have square meters for the area.